He is still sleeping. You can wait for him if you want, but if you cannot wait, you can go and come back later.
Okay, okay. It's alright. Just tell him that I came to check on him. You know, my brother, I have to come and check on him now. I'm going, oh God.
I will tell him that. I will tell him that. I was doing something at the backyard before you came, so let me go and finish it up.
Okay, just do your thing, Mama. Do your, just that. Hey, I'll say let me come and see my brother. Hey. Oh, all right, Mama. Hey, oh, my own brother. My own brother. Hey.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence ni kotegwa. Ikotego bu obanije isikotego abatari ya nosa Mr. Silence echemina wanya ikotego bu obanije Mr. Silence ne ibatibe abatari ya nosa okwanda bagologiwa ititolibe ikotego bu obanije benya biwa woto boboso abatari ya nosa ngwati benya biwa woto boboso abatari ya nosa Ndinjo obi felo fanazu mane ebwe makiwe sisi nie makisio
You're here?
Yes. Were you looking for me?
Me? Oh, yes. You know, I see you from my window every day. You're seated here. At this time of the day, I get to catch some air.
Yes. Sometimes I'm just bored in my room. I want to just get out. You know, so yeah.
And this is actually the first time I'm seeing you smiling. And you look good smiling, so you should. Oh!
Really? No, that's not true.
What do you mean that's not true? Because the first day I saw you, you were so aggressive. It felt like you were going to kick me off that keke.
I've been meaning to ask you, why were you so angry that day?
Me?
Yes.
That's a lie. It was you. You started the fight. Yes, you did.
No, you were the one who was angry. No. It's as if you were just waiting for me to appear and then you just raged everything at me.
That is not true at all. I am not a troublesome person.
Who is she to you?
My sister.
Is she not always angry?
No, my sister is not like that. Did you hear that?
She's your sister now.
So what?
I expect that.
Okay, well, so we start on a fresh note. Okay, so okay,
for real now.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
He is actually cute, rich, and handsome. And he has great sense of humor. Do I call to my okay, Oninya, just make this call. It won't kill you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Iluka.
Considering my son's condition, is there nothing your bank can do in order to help him in his situation. Eh? This is not good now. Eh? Bikono.
Mama, we run a financial institution. Besides, I have nothing to do concerning the decision of the bank concerning the loan. I'm only an employee.
Oh, this is inhuman, no. It is wickedness of the highest order. You people are just being heartless. Look at him. Eh?
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Let them do what you want to do. Take everything. I'm tired. Carry everything. Just take you. You want to carry my chair? Carry them now.
My son, please don't say that. You know how hard you suffered, how many years you labored in order to achieve this. How can it just go at once, just like that? Eh? Hey!
Mama, I wish there's something else to do. I'll be doing everything possible since he was in the hospital to avoid all those things. It is a pity.
Shut up! Aneku.
Are you waiting for? Do your work. They go now.
Mama bezina kwa neficha nyagi na wagi gading mauso akwa mwabia odeku wa kusigo. Tell your God about these problems, Mama. Mama mwabia odeku wa kugo.
Whatever you are doing now will not solve any problem. It will not. So why don't you stop? Huh? Yeah.
How do you expect me to be happy? Everything that my son has worked for all these years has gone down the drain. His boys squandered his money. Bank have now seized everything that belongs to him. All his properties, his warehouse. Okay. Our people used to say that one has gone down to square one. But Eloka has gone down to square zero. Capital zero with dots at the middle. Eh? How can we cope? What do we do?
Then calm down. Once there is life, there is hope. Hand it over to God and watch Him perfect it. Yes.
What will He perfect? Eh? Where do we start from here? All these years of effort just wasted. Eh?
You know how to complain.
Hi. What do you mean by that?
Nene. Elokaska. You can sell it and use the money to start a mini business. Yes. Don't get me wrong. Try to understand me. Don't look at me like that. And I'm not asking. By the time you sell it now, you understand what I'm talking about. Even if it's, you just arrange it before you know, you are selling, you are putting it into your pocket. You are selling. And sorry. Don't get angry, please. Oh, it's an advice. Just calm down. Because every time you sit like that, you squeeze yourself, and that thing is looking at you there. I don't think there's any sense in it. You're not going to drive it. You're not going to do anything with it. A local car is there with the legs in one place.
He didn't speak up. He didn't speak up. I should have listened to my instincts. why did you call? He's coming back. Hello, sir. Sorry, Eluka.
Well, I am fine now that you have called. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, it's true. I have a challenge. I will get over it soon. Thank you for calling. I appreciate your call. Yeah, and I will be checking up on you. I mean, now that I know you are back home.
All right, sir. We'll talk later. Sorry, Eluka. We'll talk later. All right then.
No while. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Oh my God. Martina, how long have you been standing there?
Sister, it doesn't matter. Like, I am lost here. What's going on?
Well, find yourself. I need to go inside.
Sister.
What?
Sister, with the look on your face, are you falling in love?
Listen, if you don't get out of my way right now, I will run you over with this wheelchair. Leave.
Sister. What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Sister, no joking. You have to tell me what's going on.
Come and help me with this.
Yes.
So you were distracted while I was talking.
My younger brother was shot at the market by the police.
Sorry, what happened? Don't cry now.
Baby, they said they were having issues with the security people in the market. So he was passing by, a stray bullet hit him.
Let's go there now.
Baby, we've rushed him to the hospital. But the doctor is requesting for 120,000 naira to start treatment.
I just got some money, but this one won't be enough. Hey, see, that my sales box. Is there money in there? Let me see now. I will ask my friend next door. Let's go. Let's go now.
Don't mind them, they're just truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green glass.
You are an angel. I mean, you're my God sent. What would we have done without you? You've been so helpful ever since I met you. I'm so grateful.
It's okay. It's fine. I mean, that is why I've been put into your life. Somebody has to help somebody now, isn't it? It's okay.
Thank you.
I mean, if I don't take care of you, who will take care of you? I'm gonna be your guy now. Abby?
Oh. Baby, thank you so much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
You will keep prospering. Your business will keep growing.
Amen.
I mean, you will not lack anything in life.
That's all.
I'm so happy.
At the end of the day, Nami will come give you some of the money, Abby. Pray for me to help you. It's like that now.
Baby, thank you. Thank you. God bless you for us. My entire family is entirely grateful. My mom is happy. I'm so happy that at least my brother will soon be out of the hospital.
Yes.
And my mom is happy, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of you too. I'm glad I ever met you in this life.
It's okay now. It's okay now.
Thank you.
I am going to surprise you one of these days.
Okay.
You have no idea what is coming.
I can't wait.
Big surprise.
I can't wait.
You'll be shocked.
I can't wait, baby. Thank you so much.
I know, eh? You'll be surprised.
Thank you, baby.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, this is the lady I talked to you about. The one I want to marry.
Nne, can you just stand up for me? Protect it.
Now,
This is good.
Oh
my God.
Baby, we didn't talk about this.
Relax now. It's a surprise. I will make you my wife. I'm telling you.
And you are going to be my daughter-in-law.
Thank you.
In fact, you are my daughter-in-law already.
And you are going to be my sister-in-law. Thank you so much.
You are looking so pretty.
Thank you, baby.
You are.
I love you so much.
Love you. Maybe even by tonight.
I can't wait. My pretty sister-in-law. You're welcome.
You're so cute.
Thank you.
You
have eyes for good. You're welcome. Thank you. Hi. Hey. My son, when did you say you are going to marry her?
Hey, Mama. Not now. Not now. I have one project in town I need to do. You want to finish it?
Are you building a house in the city?
Mama, your expectation for me is too high. Oh. No, I'm doing one business with my friend in town. And once it is done, I will now organize the things for the marriage. But the girl, do you like her?
Don't ask me about like, because I do not only like her, I love her. She is beautiful and matured.
No. Your son, you get eyes.
For good things.
So in about 2 months, I will organize the things and she will be your daughter.
Hey! That is good. I will be praying for both of you.
Amen.
Especially for you, so that you will make money.
Amen.
And if God says that she is your wife, nothing will stop you.
To watch.
Can you imagine? I cannot believe this. Women. So I'm not fit enough for her to suffer for me. I'm not. Now, wow. It is well, Sha.
Brother, are you still on this thought? It's okay now. Please. Okay, the food is ready. Come and eat.
Bring it here, bring it.
Are you sure you want to eat it here?
I will be fine. Just bring it here.
Mama, Brother Luca, someone wants to come and see you.
Someone wants to come and see us.
Yes, Mama.
Is it a he or a she? Be specific.
Mama, it's a he. He wants to marry me.
It's a he. Oh, wow. See, Ifoma. Ifoma, we are on carry. Jesus. You're a big woman now. When is he coming?
He said this weekend.
That's good news. At least that's one good news in this house, Sha.
Yeah, you are right. But Ifoma, no one is pressurizing you to get married. We are not tired of you in this house. You are needed. So I wouldn't like you to rush into marriage. Are you sure you love the man?
Mama, no one is pressurizing me. I love him so much. I love him, Mama.
Are you missing Informer already? Ha! I don't understand though. This is just a visit, Abby. It's not wedding now, it's not a marriage proper, it's just visitation. Ah. It's true, Sha. Mama is correct. If you love the guy, if you're not willing to be with him for the rest of your life, watch yourself.
I love him so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with him.
Love one thing.
Mama.
I'm happy for you.
Mama, thank you so much. Brother Iloka, thank you so much.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Silas. Silas, where's your sister? Silas, do you know you are talking to? Where is your sister? Where is John? Silas, this is past 10 p.m. And your sister is not at home, it's still outside. No, please. Please! I don't need any disturbance there. I'm begging you. As you can see, I'm here now, trying to call back my spirit, bring back my soul to the land of the living. Federal government used to say, bring back our guests. Now, Silas is saying, bring back my soul. I have something that is very important that is going through my head now. So I don't need disturbance. That's why I'm trying to bring back my soul. So, as for your daughter Joy, I don't know, she's not my problem now. Please. Your sister is not your problem. So what is your problem? Mama, you know you don't like somebody telling you the truth. Before you know it, you think that I want to fight you. The earlier you realize that your daughter Joy has been lost to the street, the better for you. Joy is enjoyment of every man in this community. She's enjoyment. Every man enjoys. Both crippled and one skeleton man. So the earlier you realize that you enjoy, the Nigeria is not for both of you, the better for you. So please, allow me to enjoy my soul in peace. As you can see, I am here with comforting my soul with the moon. So please, allow me. If you don't allow me, I will disappear from you. Your daughter Joy, she has left you. She has left you. Can't you see now? Silas. Silas! Mama, it's obvious that you don't want me to rest in peace. Yes. You don't want me to enjoy myself here this night that I said, let the ancestors come to so that we'll have meeting. Let me know what I'm doing with my life. Let me organize my life. Since you don't want me to organize my life, you want to disorganize my life. So it's better I leave you. And by the time I leave you, they have left you. They have left you behind. Cooperation. Where are you going to? It's our responsibility. Mama, sit back there and let us wait for her. Mama, sit down there and let us. Never! I will not try it. Never! You are moving.
Don't mind them, dear joy. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass woman. They know her. They don't just hurt you. On your principle, I can see. They take pride in the pains they cause you now. So they take pride in the pains they cause you. They try to blame you always, but you don't have to fight them. I know someone a go. Their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies we bring them down. One day.
Mama! What are you doing here now?
Where are you coming from?
Why you behave like a ghost?
Yes, I'm a ghost. I've not even started scaring you. You are walking, you are twisting your waist. They are coming in. Lost to mommy water. Who is that idiot that dropped you?
Mama, I'm an adult. He's my bosom friend.
Your bosom friend? John, use that tongue that you have to count those content in your mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself? No, tell me if you're not ashamed. Look at your sister. Before you cannot even borrow a leaf from her. How respectful she is. Reserved in your own case. No, free to her. You are moving, you are distributing. You are moving, you are distributing. Everywhere.
Mama, what's it, Mama? That's one. Mama, everybody has their own life. I'm living my life. Do you know what she does to fix it? Is it because she's behaving like a good girl? She's better than this. That's why you think she's a good girl. Me, that is when everybody's thinking that I'm a bad girl, and I even be a good person.
Hey! Sorry, you are doomed already now. You are inside that pit, swimming. You are swimming like fish without fin. You are doomed already. You are not even looking at yourself. You are walking up and down like a lost mommy water from my gate. You have the guts to walk in here and you come and meet him. I'm not even talking. I'm not finished talking. You are talking back at me. Okay? Joy! I'm coming.
You don't be smart. That's it. You don't need to.
You are not serious.
Mama,
what is it?
Behave like a mother.
You are mad.
Behave like a mother.
How would I behave
like a mother?
Let me behave like you.
Behave like a mother.
I can tie skirts. And I can wear whatever I want to wear.
Oh, you want to fight your daughter?
Yes, I will fight you. I will fight you. I'm not fear. I'm not. What did you take? I'm asking you, what did you take? Oh, you can wear skirt. You don't know I'm wearing it. I'm shared together. Are you understand?
Mama, behave like a mother.
Should you behave like a girl?
Behave like a mother.
You two behave like a girl. What's wrong with you?
My son, I have been thinking. Your car and the mechanic. I suggest that we sell it so you can use the money and start up a business. As you can see, I'm not getting younger, and the little thing I do cannot sustain us. It can no longer sustain us.
Mama, as if you were in my mind, I was thinking the same thing. I've been thinking about it. I think we should.
It's okay. We'll have to bring it back from the mechanic and ask him to help us get a buyer.
Let me get in touch with Silas. He should go to the mechanic and pick it up tomorrow. And then we can work on it.
I will have to go and call Silas first thing in the morning. You know he doesn't stay at one place. Yes.
Abby.
There's no problem. You see. Oh, okay. Thank you. I've spoken to him.
Give me. I've spoken to him. After you wasted my time, my precious time.
I'm just protecting my clients.
You are protecting your clients. Don't you know I'm a busy man? Do you know who I am? Hello, you my brother. The same blood, same surname.
I have not done anything, sir.
You have done anything. Silverburger mechanic. After wasting my time, do you think I'm a thief? I'm a thief of cars. I can steal somebody's car and run away.
I did not say you're a thief, sir.
Silverburger. Go and do your Silverburger mechanic work.
Okay. Well, about some people.
Please. Do you have a brother that owns this kind of car? Eh? All your brother now go to the house. Nonsense, Silverburger.
On your own, let me go. Come, watch your back if you are going. The motor is clean when I give you. Watch your back,
Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence ni kotego kwa, ikotego kwa banije furuwe, isikotego furu. Abatari ya nosa, Mr. Silence echemina wanya, ikotego kwa banije. Mr. Silence ne ibati.
Oh, fine girl. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Aye, you're really fine. I can see. Aye. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Hey, beautiful woman. Hey, please, where are you going to? Are you going my way?
Where is your way?
I don't have any way. As you see me now, I'm wayless. Your way is my way. Anywhere you say, let's go, we'll go.
So I should...
hop in.
Okay.
Jump in, jump in, jump in. We move. Hey, Jesus. Come in, come in, come in. Hey,
whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence ni kotego kwa, ikotego kwa banije furuwe, isikotego furu. Abatari ya nosa, Mr. Silence echemina wanya. Ikotego kwa banije. Mr. Silence ne ibatibe. Abatari ya nosa, abanda bagologiwa, iti toribe. Ikotego kwa banije. Watibenya biwa woto woto ibaboso. Abatari ya nosa, watibenya biwa woto woto ibaboso. Abatari ya nosa. Obi falo fanazu, mane ebwe makiwe, sisi niye makisiye. Forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve peace of mind. Do you agree with me? One ebwe makiwe nenuwe niye makisiye. Ebwa makiwa, eniye makisiye. Amuma dachuo, nachuo, nachuo. Amuma dachuo, nachuo, nachuo.
Market is very bad today. I won't I didn't even know that the price of kola nut has gone so high. So I had to buy garden egg to add up to it because of our visitors tomorrow. Now, what is the problem? Why is your face like this?
Mama, I am boiling. I am angry. Can you imagine? Silas has not come back with my motor since morning. That he went to the mechanics since morning.
Are you sure nothing bad has happened to him?
Nothing. Do I care? I mean, I trusted him again after all these years, the experiences I had. I shouldn't have trusted him again. Silas. And I've been calling him since morning. Calling him, back to back. He's not answering his call. Can you believe it? Silas again?
No. Please. You have to calm down. Don't be too hard on yourself. I believe he will still come back. Eh? Let's wait. Is that him?
It's Oni. Hello?
No, it's not a problem. You can come around. I have said it before, my mother doesn't have a problem. She's very understanding. The funny thing is that she hasn't even stopped talking about you. Yes.
Sister, who are you talking to? Shut up. I won't shut up. See, I know who you're talking to. I want to know who you're talking to.
Sorry. It's my crazy little sister. She wouldn't let me concentrate on our discussion. Okay, I will call you back. Alright? Okay. Bye.
Sister, who is this?
You gotta keep your mouth shut. What is wrong with you?
Sister, who's this new guy?
Okay, it's alright. There is no new guy. He's just a friend, a very good friend. That's it.
Sister, from the look on your face, sister, you must love this your new guy very much.
I will stop.
Sister, you also.
Sister! Come on, keep quiet. What is wrong with you? Are you mad? What? Inside. Go! Go inside.
I will go inside, but I am happy for you. I am very, very happy for you. Good luck, sister. I am happy you found love again. Some people are really not this lucky.
I who said I found love? Martina, go inside.
Sister, I know you found love. I am happy for you. See, sister.
Okay, just go inside and allow me feel.
Sister!
Don't mind them, their joy. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass. They don't just hurt you. On your principle, they take pride in the pains they cause you now. So they take pride in the pains they cause you. They try to blame you always.
What happened?
But you don't have to fight them.
I got sacked from work today.
Sacked? Hi. What happened? What did you do?
It's that stupid manager. This idiot has been asking me out for some time. I refused. And today he just sent me out of work because I came 10 minutes late saying that I'm fired.
No. Fired? At this time? When there is no job? No, this is wickedness. Why would you do a thing like that?
I don't even understand it myself. I tried to explain to him, telling him it was traffic. He wouldn't listen to me.
Hi. No, this is wrong timing. A sack now?
I don't know when to start.
It's okay.
I don't know what
just
to do.
come. Let's go and sit down, okay? Just come. Come, let's go and sit down. Come. Let's go, we'll talk.
They try to blame you always, but you don't have to fight them. I know someone go. Their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day, but you don't have to fight them. I know someone go. Their plot will shame.
How are you?
Well, I am fine. I was bored. I decided to come and see you and assist you in washing the cars.
Really?
Oh, what do you mean, really? It's something easy. Moreover, I want to give a helping hand so that you can get this work done faster. We'll make more money and you can go for your contract. What?
You're 1 in a million.
I know.
I swear, you just killed me now. I mean, you arrested my heart. What a beautiful soul.
Thank you.
I love you.
And I love you too.
You remember the money I'm saving? By the time it is enough, you know what I'll do?
What?
I'll travel and go and see Alhaji Zubairu. Then collect the supply contracts. You know what that means if I get that?
More money?
Pepe go rest. Damn. I'll open my chest, bold as a man, and I'll come to, oh my God. I'll come and see your people. You know what I'll tell them?
What?
That will pay every penny that has been spent on you from the very first day you were born.
Really?
I want to have you wholesale for the rest of my life. Love you.
I love you too. Meanwhile, let me take my bag. to the back. I have some clothes in here. I'll change up and then I'll come and join.
Why not just wait? Why not wait? Let me just rush this in and I see you
Don't
up.
worry.
Oh, let me show you. Wait.
Oh, don't worry.
This customer will soon come. Let me rush this car.
Let me just drop the bag. I know where it's
Hold me.
I'm
Wait, I don't want anybody to see why you're changing. All this nonsense. Hold on. Before all these stupid boys to come and watch.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. My husband house.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. My wife house. So
carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go. My husband house.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they No.
Wait.
Carry who person go here now? Now your house, I go up and you to come my
I
house.
don't understand. You want them to carry you to my own. I'm the one that's supposed to come to your house. So what you say is, Jehovah, let me receive my wife in my house. Would you enter the song? Let's try.
Let go.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go.
What's going on here? Carry me. John, Jumper. What's going on here? Welcome, sir. Hey, welcome.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Who is she? Oh, she's my wife, sir. She's your wife? And the fact is she lost her job, so she decided to be coming here to help me out, sir.
She's your wife?
Yes, sir.
And she decided to come here and help you to wash car?
Yeah, she lost her job, sir.
She lost her job?
Yes, sir.
As in this, you have turned this place to a matrimonial car wash? Yeah?
No, sir.
Madam, who are you?
I am his
wife.
His wife to be. His wife.
Your woman, your wife to be. And I even heard you people singing. Yeah? You want to turn this place to a church? Car wash, church, kingdom hall. Madam, get out before I call the police. Out!
Okay, she came to help me out so that things will be easy for me.
She came to help me out.
It's
You want
okay.
to?
Let me get my bag, sir.
Fast! Come on here.
Oga.
Go, get my bag.
Oga, please now.
You want me to fire you?
No. Because she's someone I want to get married to.
So yeah. Follow her.
Sorry, sir. She won't come here.
Oga, no, now. Oga, please. Kneel down. Go down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Your hands up. Fast. Hands up. Fast.
See, baby, it hurts me so much. I mean, it breaks my heart that I cannot help you. I'm a man. I'm supposed to shoulder you in every aspect.
John, you have said this before, and I said it's fine. I will just stay in the village until I can get something new to do, alright? I don't want you to get yourself all worked up. My happiness will be to see you get that money for your contract. Alright?
I say, for everything you've been doing for me, I will never take them for granted. I swear I will never ever take for granted. You see this money I'm looking for? By the time I get the money, you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'll get a conducive apartment, then you begin to stay with me.
No. That won't be possible. What you should be talking about is coming to pay my bride price. That is marrying me properly. My mother would not have me stay with a man who I am not married to yet. Of course. I cannot have a child out of wedlock.
Let me tell you, if there is any mpuke, I will take charge of the mpuke.
Okay.
I won't deny I'll be responsible.
I know you will. Well, I have to leave now. Alright?
I'll miss you.
And I will miss you too.
I love you so much.
I love you too, babe. So, let me run along.
I'll miss you.
Miss you. I'll call you, alright?
I think it's time to kill Ali Baba.
No, I am not killing Ali Baba. It is time for me to go. Stop with all these your languages. Alright, I'll call you, okay? I'll miss you tonight.
You can see.
I'm telling you, this is an edifice. It is beautiful.
Thank.
You know, we just drove into the compound. I didn't take a good look at the exterior of the house.
Yeah, nice ambience.
Yes, and good environment. Congratulations, my love.
You made it work.
I am proud of you. Thank you. I love every bit of the house. Everything. From the start to the finish.
Aesthetics.
Very nice.
Top notch.
Anyways.
You know what? So this weekend you come over, cook, and sleep.
Okay, that's fine. I would have stayed today, but I didn't tell my mom I was gonna stay here, so.
Mama's girl.
I'll be here by weekend, it's fine.
I just hope you're fine.
John. John. So this is who you really are. God will judge you. God will definitely judge you.
I really have fun today. We had fun. You're too much. Sunrise, you're too much. Eh?
I would like us to go to my place. I have a very comfortable place.
You have a place?
Yes, I want us to go and spend more time together.
I feel like I'm just that I'm busy now. Maybe this time I'll come. This time, what do you think?
Don't worry, we're not going to waste time. I really want you to go with me to my place. I insist.
Sunrise. It's alright. Let's go. Let's go. I don't mind. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't worry, you will enjoy it.
Sunrise, you're killing me. Sunrise, you're doing me somehow.
Just go straight. Yes, yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sunrise, you finish me now. Go. Fine girl loving me. Go. Oh, I'm gonna get let's go.
Yeah,
so this way.
Yes.
Alright. Hey, oh God, Sunrise will kill me.
Fine,
don't worry. Sunrise, hope you will do me well.
You will be happy.
You will do me well. You will do me well, oh.
You will be happy, don't worry.
You will do me well, oh.
You will be very happy, very happy. Don't worry.
Oh God. I think I'm closing my eyes.
No, don't close your eyes. You have to get
I'm staring. I'm in the staring. I'm driving.
Don't close your eyes.
You are rising my life, oh. Sunrise, you are rising my life, oh. Sunrise. Please don't make my life to blow. It will rise now, my life will blow.
You're very funny, don't worry.
Yeah?
Don't worry, you'll be happy. I'll be very happy.
I hope I will be happy.
Very happy. You will thank me later, don't worry.
Are you serious?
Go like this.
Like this again?
Yes.
Yeah. Your place is deep, oh. Deep.
Oh, I don't like very noisy places.
Your place is far, oh.
It's not. We're almost there.
Okay. Down there. Do you live alone?
Yes.
You live alone? Yes. Fine girl like you. Hey, living alone?
Yes.
Oh God. Silence and sunrise.
As in, the name matches.
Silence and sunrise. Rising to the sun. Silence and sunrise. Rising to the sun. Sunrise and silence. Yeah. Hey! I'm finishing today. Silas, will you remain? Hey! I don't die you. Is that right?
Where could Silas have gone to? It's been 2 days already, 2 good days, and no one seems to know where he is.
Silas will not change. Silas will not change. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking of. I hope it is not what I am thinking. Because if anything happens to my car, I'm going to forget we are related.
Biko, please calm down. If by the end of today and Silas does not come back, we'll have to report to the police.
Inform the police? For what? Is Silas missing? Has he gone lost? He knows what he's doing. Mama, please, inform the police. There's no need.
Silas. What kind of son is he? Eh? What is wrong with Silas? Silas will not allow us have a moment of peace in this house. What have I done to him? People are getting pregnant and giving birth to children. I get pregnant and I give birth to him and he came. And he will not allow me to rest. Yeah. Chim. Hey, look, I am begging you on his behalf, please. Biko, please. I know that wherever he has gone to, he will come back. He will not stay there. He will surely come back here. So please, I'm begging you. Let's just wait a little bit for him. He will come. Biko, oh.
Hey, look at my son. They say when you give respect to a brave man, braveness will come to you. You heard what your mother said. She has spoken wisely. Please, let us give peace a chance. Let us give him the end of today. Let's see what happens. Please, my son.
We are here now. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here. I'm here.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning. Good morning. Is it morning already?
Yes.
Morning.
Yes, wake up.
Hey, what am I doing here? What am I doing here?
What are you talking about? You don't remember anything? You've been here with me for 2 days.
2 days? No, Mexican. I have to go. Hey! 2 days! I'm for 2 days.
Go where?
I have to go.
Where?
Huh? I have to go to my house. Is this my house? Here.
Why are you behaving like this? Is it because of the car?
Yes, now because of the car. I know I parked the car outside the compound. Where is it now? I did not see it. Where is the car key? I did not see the car key. Please tell me. Let me go and look for it.
The car is gone.
Gone to where? How? How can the car I parked myself gone without me?
Stop acting like a child and come back to bed.
Me come back to bed? When I'm telling you that I'm looking for a car. Please let me go and look for the car.
Where? Where will you look for the car?
Let me go anywhere and look for the car now. Tell police. Let me go and look for the car. How can you tell me? Eh?
You cannot leave this compound without my permission. Not until I'm done with you.
See, no, this is not our agreement though. This is not what we agreed though. And maybe I want to drive in my car and bring you to your house. Let me go, please. Let me go and look for the car. Or you're not going to the extent of looking into my eyes and telling me what to do.
Go back to bed, Silas.
No, please don't look at my eyes. Don't look
Silas,
at my eyes.
go back to bed.
How can I go back to bed when my car is missing? I have to go and look for the car. I still go back to bed. Silas. Is the car inside the bed? Go back to bed. Silas, I can't go back.
Whatever you sowed, you shall reap. Silence ni kotego kwa, ikotego kwa banije. Isi kotego, abatari ya nosa. Mr. Silence echem ni na wanya. Ikotego bu ogbanje. Mr. Silas ine ibatibe. Abatari ya nosa. Ogbanda bagologi wa iti tolibe. Ikotego bu ogbanje. Benya biwa woto boboso. Abatari ya nosa. Ngwati benya biwa woto boboso. Abatari ya nosa.
What are you still doing here?
Yeah.
Go back to the room and eat your food before it gets cold.
Please let me go. Allow me to go. Let me go. Let me go. My people will be looking for me. My mother, my family, they will be on rampage by now. In fact, by now they are doing riot looking for me.
Stop talking nonsense. You are not living here until I say so. Get used to it, darling.
See, I am not going to be useful to you. Allow me to go. Silas is a nobody. Silas is a Akarogiri. Silas is a wonder. Look, wondering about. I am useless. Eh? Wait, see, don't think the car you see is not my car. Oh. Don't think that you have gotten big fish. When it comes to big fish, we see as a cambo. You only the bone. Eh? If it's foul, your leg. I am nobody. Cannot enjoy me, so let me go, please. I am not begging you, let me go. I'm not doing anything for you. The car is not my car. So don't start thinking that you have gotten big man. I work a big man. No big man. There's no bigness in me.
Silas.
Eh?
Meet me in the room.
Hey!
I need you.
Eh? Oh, backwards. Aye, Silas. Sit down one place, Silas will not listen. Silas, sit down one place, Silas will not listen. Now, have you seen it? Who is this person who died again? Oh, get my woo. So that I'm woo again.
Sister, I am very happy for you.
Thank you.
I am very happy you found love again. That man is indeed a nice man.
Yes,
very nice.
Yes, so he's a nice man.
Thank you.
He is. When is he coming?
He said he will be coming officially with his people very soon. But Mama, I want something small. A small gathering, yes, just our family members. Yes.
Sister, if I have my way, I will want to turn this celebration into a big one.
Anyways, you don't have your way. It is my way, and I want it really small.
It's our marriage, not yours.
Mama!
My daughter, Mama, whether quiet or loud marriage, what is more important is peaceful marriage. For you to have peace in your marriage. So, there's no problem.
Thank you,
But
Mama.
I want to ask you, are you sure you want to do this?